Yeah, this is Greg Williams. I'm gonna show you what I did to this gun. I put the holder for the 10 round magazine in the bottom. I fixed all of this. You can hardly even tell it on the camera. Down here underneath where the bolt is fixed too. I have just a normal scope that I was using for deer hunting with it on it. Okay. What I did is I figured I'd try this with a bipod and all that. I sighted in all that stuff that I have before this video. I sighted it in on a bench, holding the back end on a rolled up blanket. No sandbags, no nothing. One point in there, I was cutting bolt holes at sighting it in. And I haven't even modified or done anything to the cases except loaded them with 41 grains of 48.95, 42 grains of 48.95. That's what I was using before when I used the gun. I only sighted it in because shortly after I got it, I found out before I picked it up the guy was in the hospital and he died.